This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss topic module number 47. The name of the topic is linked list versus array list. So we will see what are the differences between these two lists. So both the Java array list and linked list implements the list interface of the collections framework. However, there exists some difference between them. You're gonna draw a table and we'll see the differences between these two lists, array list and linked list in Java. So first we will type the heading as linked list over here. In the first column we will discuss linked list, and in the second column we will type array list. So first of all we will type about the array list that it implements list, queue, and dequeue interface. And if we talk about array list, it implements list interface. Second point is stores three values: previous, address, data, address, and next address in a single position. Whereas when we talk about array list, it implements and it stores actually a single value in a single position. So this is the main difference. Now it provides the doubly linked list implementation, and it provides a resizable array implementation. Whenever an element is added, previous and last and next address are changed. And whenever an element is added, all elements after that position are shifted to access an element, we need to iterate from the beginning to the element. Can randomly access elements using indexes. So these are all 5 major differences between a linked list and array list, which we should learn in Java. So now we're gonna type some note about that, like about the linked list versus array list, and it is create linked list using list. We will type list string enclosed in animals 1 equal to new linked list, and this is the format of writing a linked list in Java. And the other form is creating a linked list using queue. The syntax will be changed. First we will type queue instead of list, and then type string animals 2 new linked list, and everything remains same. And now the third one is create a linked list using dequeue. For this we need to type dequeue in the beginning, and then type string, and then animals 3, and then type new linked list like this. Here if the linked list is created using one interface, then we cannot use methods provided by other interfaces. That is, animals 1 cannot use methods specific to queue and dequeue interfaces, because the animals 1 is the name of a linked list, is actually declared with the list, whereas queue and dequeue has animals 2 and 3 subsequently. So that's all, viewers. We have discussed today the difference between linked list and array list, how they are different from each other in Java programming language. That's all. Thanks for watching.